Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness meditation for expressing exuberance. Today we will explore how the actions one chooses to take and the emotions one chooses to feel guide one towards one's experience of manifested reality. When one chooses to express exuberance for all of existence, one begins to invite abundance and prosperity into one's life. When you are ready, find a quiet and comfortable spot where you feel safe and join us as we practice the art of expressing exuberance. You may choose to participate in today's meditation seated or lying down. Whatever position you assume, attempt to invite a state of relaxation into your posture, gently allowing the eyes to close. If you would prefer to keep your eyes opened, perhaps finding a soft gaze and allowing the eyelids to hang heavy over the eyes. Start by taking 3 slow and deep cleansing breaths. Inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling. With every subsequent breath, feel the body becoming more at ease, more relaxed. Feel a wave of well-being wash over you, taking away any impurities, any tension, stress, or other ailments that may have built up over the course of the day. Allow yourself to rest in this space, knowing that all is well. Trust that you have the power to interpret and define your own experience of reality. Again, tuning into the breath, allowing the body to arrive at its natural rhythm, not trying to control anything, just accepting what is in this moment. You have nowhere to be, nothing to do. Simply relax. Enable the vibrations of this practice to resonate with your inner state of peace and positivity. As you begin to arrive in your inner state of harmony, you may begin to observe the comfort and satisfaction that arises when you choose to let go of resistance, when you choose to let go of external stimuli. This state of well-being is always available to you. If at times you find yourself in a situation of discomfort or tension, realize that this is the body's way of telling you that you have shifted out of alignment with your inner self. There is nothing to fear. This emotional indicator is simply an opportunity to make the required adjustments to recenter your equilibrium. And this adjustment is only ever the next breath away. The breath, mind, and body are powerfully interconnected. They dictate the expression of energy and matter, of the unmanifested and the manifested. Through stabilization of the breath, you can begin to calm the thoughts of the mind When the mind is calm, the body can relax. When these systems are in harmony with one another, you begin to perceive the sensory phenomena of well-being. And from this state of well-being, it is easy to accommodate thoughts and feelings of positivity and joy. With every effort to channel a feeling of good vibrations, you are expanding your efforts to call in more of these frequencies. Like attracts like. If you are choosing to feel and think positively, you will invite these expressions into your life. The choice is always available. With practice and conscious awareness, it will become easier to decipher your truth. It will become easier to align with what feels right for you. Your body is an instrument, and it is here to guide you. Guide you on the path of least resistance, which also happens to be the path of your greatest pleasures, your true bliss. For the next few minutes, allow yourself to embody this state of complete relaxation and stillness. You may like to rest in silence, simply being aware of the subtleties of the breath. Or you may choose to adopt a mantra of your own. You might also follow along with today's affirmation, if ever the mind begins to wander. I express exuberance. I express exuberance. I express exuberance. Beginning to arrive in the body, tuning into the breath, slowly becoming aware of the external environment, the surface beneath you. With your next inhalation, invite small movements into the body, moving in a way that feels soothing and conducive with today's practice. Begin to take 3 cleansing breaths, inhaling through the nostrils and exhaling. Before we close today's practice, you may like to consider the following questions and reflect on them as you go about your day. What if all of the answers were within? What if your inner guidance system knew exactly what every move could be? so that you would be in alignment with your dreams? What if searching outside of yourself weakened this connection and innate ability to flow through life with ease? The choice is yours to make. Thank you for joining today's mindfulness meditation on expressing exuberance. May you find true peace and joy. Namaste.